Some of the most artistic birds in the world live in the forests of Papua New Guinea and northern Australia. They are the male bower birds, who dedicate their lives to the art of seduction. They use their wing feathers to perform a dazzling dance for the females. But there is a catch: some males cheat. They mimic the colors of more mature males. However, they can't fool the females for long. To master such a complex dance, it takes about 5 years. If the young males don't practice, they will be exposed when the real